Welcome back. News headlines to speak in today's morning assembly means Assembly of 16th of December. And first of all, national news. Poll body to publish Bengal draft electoral rules today. Punjab firm accused of polluting aquifer, rupees 80 crore assets seized. 228 flights cancelled due to dense smog in Delhi. India proposed preferential trade deal with Mexico to offset steep tariffs. As center plans Manrega makeover, states still owed rupees 9,700 crore. And now international news. Hong Kong media tycoon Zimi Lai found guilty on national security charges. China to cover all childbirth medical expenses by 2026 to boost birth rates. Ukraine's Zelensky hint US guarantees may stand in place of NATO bid. And now some sports news. Sri Lanka to arrest 1996 World Cup winning captain Arjun Ranatunga over rupees 23.5 crore oil scam. IPL 2026 auction full player list. BCCI updated list of 369 at the last moment. ED attach assets worth rupees 5.41 crore over illegal immigration to US. Proposed nuclear energy bill caps operators liability at 3,000 crore rupees. And that's all in news. Thank you.